This is my new video tutorial and welcome you all to watch this. You can learn and share your knowledge after this video presentation. Learning while staying at home can save your time, effort, and money. You can replay this video to review and enhance your skills. By the way, I'm Master Diamola, your teacher in theory at the National Science High School. We are now in the new normal situation. It means that all activities were done in a new way, especially the teaching approach was modified to fit the scenario. This module and your parents became a bridge to connect us even if there is no face-to-face instruction. This video tutorial is an initiative to fill the gaps. This is not a permanent solution, but a useful tool to reach you. Thank you and have a nice day. Welcome to my video tutorial. Our topic is about cell reference or cell address in Microsoft Excel worksheet. At the end of the session, you can define rows, columns, and cells. You can identify the reference or cell address. You can also write the correct format of the cell address.
Before we proceed to our discussion, I will give you a short activity. Maybe some of you have a previous knowledge about the kinds of lines. It is very important for us to familiarize the kinds of lines. Why? Because our topic is about cell address. And cell address use lines to determine the cell reference. What do you remember? Match the line with a given word. Number 1. This is a vertical line, B horizontal line, C intersecting line. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is horizontal line. Number 2. This is a vertical line, B horizontal line, C intersecting line. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is vertical line. Number 3. This is and. A vertical line, B horizontal line, C intersecting line. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is intersecting line. Congratulations! Lines were not only used in illustrations, but lines have a great meaning in our lives. Horizontal lines represent our relationship with others. For example, teamwork. You have two hands, one to help yourself, the second to help others. Always help someone. You might be the only one who does. And that is Makatao. Vertical lines represent our relationship with God. Thank God, praise and worship. I will praise you, O Lord my God, with all my heart, and I will glorify your name forever. Happy moments, praise God. Difficult moments, seek God. Quiet moments, worship God. Painful moments, trust God. Every moment, thank God. And that is Makadios. Intersecting line represents sacrifice. Deny yourself, take up your cross, and follow me. Let us now proceed to our lesson.
This is the Microsoft Excel worksheet. It is made up of rows, columns, and cells. Rows run horizontally across the worksheet. And ranges from 1 to 1,048,576. A row is identified by the number that is on the left side of the row from where the row originates. I will give you an example. 1, 5, and 9. Columns run vertically, downward across the worksheet. Ranges from A to XFD. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. A cell reference or cell address is an alphanumeric value used to identify a specific cell in a worksheet. Each cell address contains one or more letters, followed by a number. The letters identify the column, and the numbers represents the row. B 9. Another example. C 6. C represents the column and the number 6 represents the row. We have also B 10. So B represents the column and the number 10 represents the row. So we have C6 and B10. That is the cell address. Now, try to identify the cell address of the red rectangle within the count of 5. So we will start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is C7. Wow, you got the correct answer. And congratulations. Thank you for your cooperation. Next, identify the cell address of the blue rectangle within the count of 5. So let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, the correct answer is B6. You got the correct answer. And congratulations! Congratulations, and thank you for your cooperation. Now, to summarize our lesson, our topic is about cell reference or cell address in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or worksheet. The Microsoft Excel worksheet is made up of rows, columns, and cells. Rows run horizontally across the worksheet. Columns run vertically downward across the worksheet. Cell is an intersection of rows and columns. A cell reference or cell address is an alphanumeric value used to identify a specific cell in a worksheet. Each cell address contains one or more letters followed by a number. The letters identify the column and the numbers represents the row. Each cell address contains one or more letters followed by a number. Now, this is the evaluation. Draw a worksheet on a short size bond paper. And this is the example of the worksheet. You are going to draw this one on a short size bond paper. Write the cell address inside the cells with question marks. So you are going to write the cell address inside the cells with question marks. Okay? Submit your answer to your advisor during the distribution and retrieval of modules. Be sure to write your name and your grade level.